Come with me to see the production of our new range of articulated haulers. Here we are at the start of the production. The flat steel is coming into Braås. As a part of our sustainability journey, we are increasing the amount of low carbon steel in our machines. So now, let's cut it! From this, we get pieces like this. In just a few days, it will become a part of a hauler. Amazing, isn't it? Even though we have fantastic welders, the majority of the welds are done with our robots. They deliver the high quality and stability necessary, making the haulers durable. They are good for the work environment, and yet another thing, they have 4 arms. Fabrication is now completed and it's down to our final quality checks. Like this one, the ultrasonic test. It looks good? Perfect. Oh, great. Now, it's up to these bad boys to perform the job. It's huge! In fact, one of the biggest blast chambers in Europe. Inside, 17 tons of steel grits have been preparing the object for the next step, which is giving this object one coat of the most beautiful color in the world, Volvo Sea Yellow. I want to reveal a secret for you. The color code for this is 57. I just love that color. The parts need to be delivered to each workstation according to schedule. Timing is key. On time, as always. Welcome to the assembly hall. More than 3,000 unique parts are now ready to become the world's best articulated hauler. It's starting to take shape. The hydraulic system and the Volvo powertrain for top performance and superior fuel efficiency. Operators and engineers constantly work side by side to optimize products and processes. Just look at this, a super smart solution for better ergonomics. The articulation in the hitch is one of the features giving the ability to operate in really rough and challenging terrain. And here it is, connecting the tractor to the trailer. It starts looking like a hauler now. Remember this? From our first station, it's now a part of a complete hauler. The result of a passionate teamwork here in Braås. Time for our final quality tests with our verification experts. We call them the Hauler Whispers. This is how it's done. The birth of a new articulated hauler, ready to make its way in the world.